Welcome to this time of prayer. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to relax and close your eyes. Pray this prayer of strength and renewal with me. Lord, I come before you weary and worn. The world feels heavy right now, and my strength fades. But I know that even when I feel weak, your power remains strong within me. Breathe new life into my spirit. Let your strength rise in me like the morning light. When I cannot see the path ahead, be my endurance. When my heart is tired, be my peace. Help me to remember that my strength does not come from me. It does not come from striving, but from resting in you. Let your spirit renew my courage to face what's ahead with faith instead of fear. Your word says in Isaiah 40:31 that those who hope in you, Lord, will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. Lift me, Lord. Help me to rise above the hard, above the discouragement, above the doubt, above the weight that tries to hold me down. Remind me that I can do all things through you, not in my power, but in yours. Today I exchange my weakness for your strength, my worry for your peace, my striving for your rest. You are my strength, my song, and my refuge. Thank you for renewing me from the inside out. Amen.